Hi guys, my name is John Aheri from Razor Edge Films. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to deal with impossible green screens. Impossible green screens just like this. You can see this. It doesn't look like a green screen, but I assure you it's a green screen. It's probably a mistake from the lighting or something, but it's a green stage and it's impossible to key. This is the behind the scene. As you can see, it's all painted green wall, but for some reason at the post-production stage it's just not looking greenish as it's supposed to, so it's actually impossible to key. So I went on YouTube to look for solutions to problems like this, but apparently there was nothing of this sorts on YouTube, so I had to find a way to do it myself in After Effects. So today guys, I'm gonna have to share how I achieved doing this and making it at least getting something decent out of it, guys. Something decent out of it. So I'm gonna show you how to transform this footage, from this to this, and yeah, you can change the background and make use of it other than rotoscoping. It's something decent, guys. It's something decent. You can make use of it, and other than rotoscoping your actors, you could just use this technique and save the bad green screen. So it's up to you guys to experiment more after this. I'll just show you guys the tricks I used to achieve this, and we're good to go. So let's hop into After Effects and see how this was actually done. So here in After Effects, we're going to load in our footage into a new project, and we're going to double click on the footage and select the area we're going to be working on. Just a little bit, just was there, I think it's fine. No, just a little bit back. Yes, so we'll crop out that area and we'll make a new composition from footage by just dragging it down into the comp area, and yeah, we have our full footage in After Effects. So next step is to get rid of the background. We are going to have to separate the background from the foreground. We're going to create our own green screen ourselves, so we'll go to change to color, and we'll apply it into our footage. Now this technique is going to be very precise. We'll select the background color, and it changes everything and looks chaotic, worse than before. Now you're thinking I should have left it how it was and just rotoscoped it, but no, just relax, we're still starting it. So this is a very precise technique. We're going to have to change each of these values to a very precise number. Very precise number. Numbers could vary on your own projects and mine. It doesn't have to be the same numbers, but yeah, it's going to vary a lot. So just to get the general idea and go crazy with it. So with the hue, we'll change the hue to hue and saturation, and we'll change the change by transform to color, and hue, we'll change the hue value to 3.5, and yeah, we're seeing something is happening already. Change the lightness to 3.0. I'll change saturation to 5. So now you can see something is coming out. So we would check the matte, look at how the matte looks like. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. Like I said, this is already, this is a low resolution footage, so make the softness 45, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, it's just going to look good. This is a low resolution footage, so your footage will be better than mine, so it's give you better results in your own footage. So but it's not looking bad, it's looking good. So we now change the color from to green. This is our own green screen, and voila, congratulations guys, we have gotten our own green stage. And yeah, at least we could you know do something good after all. So and yeah, that's it. But that's not all. That's just the first step. Second step is you get to look out for things like the table that still refuses to bulge. It just doesn't want to play game. So you just you're gonna have to treat it separately by selecting it and treating its color separately from the rest. So all you have to do is to duplicate your footage by pressing Ctrl D, and you duplicate your footage. Sorry, I pressed something else there. So press Ctrl D, duplicate your footage. The top one is going to be your table or whatever thing you call it in your own project. So use the rectangle tool, would mask out the table, and would treat it separately. So now it's separate from the others. We're going to use something else we call oh, by the way, we're gonna have to check if the mask follows the table and all that. So in your own footage, if it's something you have to animate it and make sure it follows, the area you want to change. So this time around, now we've selected the table, we're going to go to change color, and we'll select that. And this time around, we're going to use the eyedropper tool to select the color on the table, and nothing happens. I know how heartbreaking it is, but just hold on guys, hold on. We're gonna have to tweak some of the values. Like I said, this is gonna be very precise numbers, so your own case, it has to be precise. So we'll come here, change the hue transform number to -52. -52, that gives you the green color. And you see already everything has actually changed to green. That's like instantly guys, but that's not all. See, that guy's clothes is actually been affected, so we're gonna have to check more settings. And so we'll make it matching tolerance, change matching tolerance to 3.0. That eliminates the color from the guy's clothes and make the matching softness 0.1%. Now we'll change match colors to using chroma, and that corrects everything. And now you have your complete green screen. Now this is the conclusion of the second stage guys. Now you have your complete green screen. So yeah, if you scroll through, you see that it's all works out, everything is all green. And it's I'm happy with this. So all I have to do is gonna pre-comp the both of them, maybe call it green screen or whatever your heart desires guys, and just say okay, and that becomes the whole composition, just like a video already shot in the green screen. So now you can now go down and key it out the normal way you guys key with Keylight 1.2, and key it out, and you can see the effect is already instantaneous. And you can do a little bit tweaking, just the normal way you key things out. By this time we're supposed to be done with the tutorial, but what can I on the impossible green screen. If you guys liked it or you loved it, please hit the subscribe button and the notification icon to get more tutorials like this in the future. And stay cool, guys. Stay cool. Peace.